Every single day, over 1.4 billion servings of pork are consumed around the world. And the United States stands as one of the global powerhouses of pork production. But have you ever wondered, how do we get from a newborn piglet to those smoky bacon strips, sizzling sausages, or neatly packed boxes of frozen pork on supermarket shelves? This isn't just farming, this is an industry where biotechnology, artificial intelligence, automation, and data-driven management come together to feed the planet. In today's video, we'll take you deep inside the most advanced pork production journey ever seen, from high-tech breeding facilities to automated slaughterhouses to international-grade meat processing plants. Buckle up. You're about to step into a world few have ever seen, but one that feeds us all every single day. This is Valley of Greens, and this is the Industry 4.0 journey of pork. Every journey begins with new life. In modern pig farms across the United States, Denmark, and Germany, the breeding area functions like a mini medical center, with precise control over microbiology, temperature, humidity, and nutrition, monitored hour by hour. Each pregnant sow is equipped with health-tracking microchips. Sensors monitor heart rate, body temperature, and even send early alerts if something seems off. Instead of lying on dusty concrete floors, sows are placed in smart birthing pens, featuring soft rubber mats and safety rails to protect both the mother and her piglets. Right after birth, piglets undergo an immediate health screening. Some farms even use facial recognition and body shape analysis to detect early signs of illness. Within the first 24 hours, piglets receive their vaccinations, ID tags, and are moved into climate-controlled nursery units, kept steadily at 32 to 35 degrees Celsius, perfectly optimized for early growth. Feeding the sows is also a science. Every day they're given a high-protein, mineral-rich diet boosted with probiotics, enhancing milk quality and boosting immunity for the piglets. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, a modern facility today can reach a 92% piglet survival rate, compared to just 75% 3 decades ago. Those numbers tell a powerful story. Technology doesn't just increase output, it protects life from the very first breath. After just 28 days, the piglets are moved into the growth barns, where they begin an industrial training program to become high-quality food sources. Here, every pig is raised in a programmed environment. Temperature is adjusted automatically, airflow is purified through a positive pressure HVAC system, and every behavior, eating, sleeping, gaining weight, is tracked by sensors. At Hyotech Farms in Iowa, USA, one of the most advanced pig farming systems, the entire operation runs on AI software. It predicts when pigs might lose their appetite, detects early symptoms of illness from a single cough or grunt, and customizes feed portions for each individual. Feed is no longer just hand-mixed grain. It's an automated blend from storage silos, rich in protein, vitamins, probiotics, and microminerals, delivered precisely through rationed feeding trays and automated water systems with controlled antibiotic dosing. Every day, the system sends a report. Which groups are gaining weight the fastest, which pens show signs of stress, and how much feed, water, and energy has been used, all displayed live on the central dashboard. In Denmark, some farms even use robots to clean waste, vacuum the air, and give pigs a massage. All humans need to do is monitor and intervene when an alert is triggered. The goal isn't just to grow fast, it's to grow uniformly, healthily, and efficiently. Because every extra day of raising a pig adds cost: water, electricity, labor, and feed. In the US, it now takes only 5 months for a pig to grow from 7 kilograms to over 120 kilograms. 3 decades ago, that took nearly 7 months. Technology is shortening time, cutting cost, and improving quality, turning pig farming into a streamlined industry no different from automobile manufacturing. When pigs reach their target weight, between 115 and 130 kilograms. They're loaded onto specialized trucks and transported to the processing plant, following strict transportation protocols. In the U.S., federal law requires non-slip flooring, mandatory ventilation systems, and a maximum transport time of 8 hours to reduce animal stress. Upon arrival, pigs are taken to a resting area. Here, they calm down, stabilize hormone levels, a crucial factor that directly impacts meat quality post-slaughter. Modern slaughter is a balance of speed and humanity. The pigs are rendered unconscious using CO2 gas or electrical stunning, a process that is swift and painless. From there, they move through a closed-loop system, bleeding, scalding, dehairing, evisceration, and organ separation, all handled by automated machinery under expert supervision. The entire process takes less than 8 minutes per pig, ensuring speed, safety, and hygiene. Every part, the heart, liver, intestines, skin, even the blood, is collected separately, recovered for further use. Nothing is wasted. Immediately after processing, the carcasses enter the quality inspection zone, where experts test for microbiological safety, drug residues, meat color, and muscle texture. In German and Danish slaughterhouses, AI-powered cameras scan each cut of meat, detecting color inconsistencies, fat distribution, and instantly rejecting anything below standard. Every batch is assigned a traceability code, revealing the farm of origin, slaughter date, and even the identity of the technician who operated the machine. All of this creates a zero-contamination ecosystem. No cross-infection, no waste, no ambiguity in sourcing. This is not just slaughter. This is modern meat engineering, programmed like a high-precision production line. Right after passing slaughter and inspection, pork is transferred to the processing zone, kept at below 4 degrees Celsius, where every step is executed like a precision machine, down to the second. In large processing plants across the US and Europe, the meat is divided into 3 main streams: fresh cuts, frozen portions, and value-added products, like sausages, cold cuts, and canned meats. Each cut is sorted: shoulder, belly, loin, using robotic arms combined with AI muscle structure recognition systems. The meat then moves to automated cutting lines. Every blade is programmed to slice to the gram, ensuring consistent weight and appearance in every package. For sausages and deli meats, the journey begins by finely grinding meat and fat, blending it with spices and stabilizers, then pumping it into high-speed stuffing machines, up to 10,000 sausages per hour. Once shaped, sausages are either steamed or smoked at precise temperatures, between 72 and 80 degrees Celsius, to lock in flavor and ensure microbial safety. Products are rapidly cooled and vacuum sealed, extending shelf life up to 45 days without the need for chemical preservatives. Fresh cuts are packed in PET trays, sealed in oxygen-controlled film, and topped with a QR code for full traceability. In cutting-edge facilities like Tönnies in Germany or Smithfield in the US, the entire packaging process is touch-free. Automated robots handle labeling, weighing, inspection, and sorting. AI systems detect damaged goods, misprinted labels, or alignment errors, and reject faulty items within 0.3 seconds. Finally, finished products are stored at -18 degrees Celsius in cold warehouses, ready for delivery to supermarkets, restaurants, or global export. From a single pig on the farm, in just 24 hours, we produce hundreds of meat products, ready to serve millions of consumers around the world. This isn't just food production. This is next-gen biologistics, where every cut of meat embodies technology, speed, and radical transparency. For thousands of years, humans have raised pigs to survive, but only in the last few decades have we turned that ancient practice into an industry engineered to the millimeter. From robot caretakers and AI health monitors to touch-free processing lines, every step is proof of how technology is reshaping the global food system. So when you pick up a pack of sausages or a tray of neatly sealed pork, you're not just holding food, you're holding the result of engineering, safety protocols, and a seamless, closed-loop supply chain. This is the future of livestock farming. Cleaner, safer, more transparent than ever before. If you believe what goes into your food deserves respect, hit that like button, subscribe to Valley of Greens, and leave a comment below. Which technology impressed you most in today's journey? This is Valley of Greens, where modern industry meets powerful storytelling. See you in the next journey.